I'm getting ready to make a keto burrito, and this is a different way that I make a keto burrito. I have several ways that I make it, but I like making it like this, and I just use a few items that are needed. I scramble 2 eggs, and I add them to the skillet. You want to make sure that your skillet is hot with whatever oil that you're going to use to cook your eggs in. I use butter. And so I make sure I have enough butter in the pan. I add my eggs. Then I want to make sure that the eggs are spread all over the pan. And to this, I'm going to add a carb balanced flour tortilla, and I use the 4-gram net carb tortilla. And you just put that on top of your egg and let it cook for just a short moment. And then after you let it cook for a while, you can see your egg when it starts to get cooked around the edges there. Let it cook to whatever consistency that you want. Then you are going to flip it. Flip your tortilla over. Flip the whole thing over, the egg and the tortilla over to the opposite side. Now after you get that flipped, then you want to go ahead and add whatever meat that you like. Now I used ham, sliced ham. So I'm just going to add a couple of slices of sliced ham, and I used half a serving. 6 slices is a serving, but I used half a serving of that. And then I added in some cheese, and I added in a couple of ripe olives I cut up. And after you add this all in, go ahead and fold your burrito and let that cook. And I like to let it cook until it gets crispy on each side. So let it cook to your consistency, and then go ahead and flip it. Now you can use whatever seasoning, you can use whatever fillings that you want for your burrito. You can use sausage, you can use bacon, you can use cheese, you can put you some veggies in there, just whatever suits your fancy. Go ahead and turn it over to the opposite side, and like I said, I like for mine to be really, really crispy. And you can serve it with whatever side you like. Here I just used a little bit of sour cream and a little bit of salsa. And me and my husband usually share the burritos when I do them. Sometime I'll eat the whole burrito, sometime I'll just eat half the burrito. This morning we're going to share. So it's very filling, it's very, very good, and it is not a lot of calories, as you can see, nor is it a lot of carbs. So this is something that you can cook very, very easily as a meal for yourself and enjoy.